Causes of anger and aggression. This section aims to increase awareness and understanding of the underlying factors which predispose people to behave aggressively, and to reach common understanding that aggression is a learned behavior and can therefore be replaced by other, more adaptive behaviors. Also, to enable clients to identify their general and specific triggers to aggressive behavior, and to help clients predict potential risk factors at an early stage to enable productive resolution. This section examines predisposing and vulnerability factors, such as peer influence or harsh parental punishment. Underlying factors associated with aggression are specific to the individual. These factors are learned in childhood and later reinforced. They inform our beliefs, attitudes, and prejudices. This session allows clients to recognize their own underlying factors and to understand that while experience cannot be changed, the resulting behavior can. Identifying triggers or antecedents to aggression can allow clients to identify factors which can lead to aggression. These might appear unrelated to the eventual loss of control, but nevertheless create a buildup of tension. Often, the final trigger is a relatively insignificant event. Awareness of triggers can signal to the individual the need to reduce their levels of tension and therefore act as early warning signs. Specific coping strategies for dealing with the antecedents to aggression, such as problem solving and relaxation, are examined in later sessions. The following is a list of antecedents and triggers which can lead to anger and aggression. Chronic stress, including work pressure, illness and disability, financial and domestic problems, loneliness, and isolation. Antecedents and triggers associated with acute stress include loss of job, financial crisis, relationship breakups, and moving home. Antecedents and triggers including the bereavement process or mourning a lost loved one, and also include distorted thinking such as negative thoughts, catastrophizing, and all or nothing thinking. Antecedents and triggers also include emotions and feelings. Feelings such as hurt, being criticized, frightened, embarrassed, threatened, rejected, misunderstood, also including frustration as well as injustice. Other antecedents and triggers include nonverbal behavior, including too much eye contact, standing up, and finger waving, as well as poor communication. Predisposing vulnerability factors are similar to triggers and antecedents. They include learned behavior, such as a family history of violence, bullying, physical, sexual, or emotional abuse, peer influence, as well as cultural factors. Predisposing or vulnerability factors also include rigid thinking, inability to solve problems, and irrational beliefs or rules.